Okay, so we're just outside of the District Court in Goffstown. It's Carla and Louie leaving, and I've just caught up with Seth to find out what has happened today.
Basically, we were ready to make an argument at probable cause, the probable cause hearing, which basically is where the state has an opportunity to show that it's more likely than not that the defendant committed a crime. We were prepared to go forward, and the state, our hearing was scheduled for 11 o'clock. Around quarter to noon, the state came out and said that they were dropping all charges. I actually went forward and filed an objection with the court, saying that I didn't agree that the charges should be dropped, that we wanted to go forward today. We wanted to get in front of a judge. We wanted to show that there was no crime committed here, because this is, as I can see it from my research, it seems to be a common pattern where the police are seizing cameras, holding cameras that have footage of them that may or may not, whatever the footage is, they seem to be seizing cameras, and then they refuse to take their cases to trial. And this has happened a few times that I'm aware of, may have happened more. And I thought this time we should actually get it on the record. There is no reasonable expectation of privacy for a public employee on a public way, doing public duties and while on the public payroll. And I was hoping to be able to get that in front of the judge. And we also talked about a motion to return property today, having to do with getting the camera back that my client had. And the judge rightfully said that there was no case before him, of course, because the state had dropped the charges, so he wasn't able to rule on that motion. But I just simply wanted it on the record that while on one hand the state is saying that we can't have a probable cause hearing because there's no charges, the state is also, well, the state being the Ware Police Department, is also saying that so there's no charges, so no probable cause hearing, but we can't get the camera back because we have pending charges. So we'll try to get the camera back, and hopefully this is the end of this charade, and we can go back with the understanding that people still have the right to document public officials in public places while on the public payroll.
Thank you. Thanks, Seth. Appreciate it.